Good day everyone and welcome to weekly trading ideas. My name is Nenad, Elliott CurrenSea with you, and today's trading ideas and setups: Euro dollar, pound dollar, the Australian dollar, dollar CAD, Bitcoin and gold. So before we start, have in mind that Forex, CFD and Forex are leveraged products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. Please have in mind that everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Trading rules always the same. You can pause the screen and read the trading rules, but if you're not sure, you can also do it on our previous recordings on weekly trading ideas, so the rules stay the same. Before I present you new setups, let's review the setups that happened during the last week. Euro dollar was good for 75 pips, a pound dollar was minus 30, the Australian dollar minus 30, dollar CAD 85 pips, the Australian dollar yen either plus 15 or minus 30 depending on the breakout trade. Gold was the best trade of the week and the month for plus 400 pips. Total pip pool plus 470 or 515. Trade of the week, dollar CAD for the Forex and gold. This was the euro dollar. As you can see, the vertical red line represents the time of our webinar. So everything is checked. After we finished with webinar, we had alternative buy trade coming up here and trade ending up in profits. GBP dollar trade was the loss. So basically we had a buy trade at 24.80. The price hit the stop loss, then proceeded in our direction. The Australian dollar was basically it went into some small profits, but it was not enough, only 10 pips, so this was a losing trade. Dollar CAD, as you can see, the trade of the week, it dropped significantly from 31.35, the POC zone, and our trade ended up in a nice profit. So dollar CAD was the trade of the week regarding Forex. The Australian dollar yen went up as a breakout trade, went 15 pips in profit, then reversed during the night. And gold, the trade of the week, was good for plus 400 pips. You can see clearly here, straight from the POC zone, almost hitting the target. It came very, very close, but it went 400 pips in profit. Now let's see this week setups. So these trades that I will give you setups are valid for today, tomorrow, and early Wednesday. So the first trading idea is euro dollar. Sell is 13.10, stop loss 13.40, TP 1.1260. Alternative buy 12.60, stop loss 12.40, TP 13.10. Next one is GBP dollar. Positional sell 1.2560, stop 25.85, TP 24.80. Alternative buy 24.80, stop loss 24.50, TP 25.60. Then we have the Australian dollar. Positional buy 0.6990, stop loss 69.40, TP 0.7050. Sell 0.7050, stop 0.7080, TP 0.6990. Dollar CAD 31.65 is sell, 31.90 stop, TP 30.50. Alternative buy 30.50, stop loss 30.00, TP 31.65. The Bitcoin dollar, sell 11.210, stop 12.210, TP 98.20. Alternative buy 98.20, stop 97.20, TP 11.210. And the gold buy is 14.00, stop loss 30.95, TP 14.30, sell 14.30, stop loss 14.60, TP 14.00. Every single trade is set up, has been analyzed with my Camarilla MACD, my proprietary method. So everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Also guys, if you're in profit, please protect your trades because these are predictions, okay? I gave you setups and predictions, but you need to manage your trade once you're in. I hope that these setups will give you profits. I wish you a great trading week and talk to you soon. Cheers everyone.